Awesome. So I'm Rachel Hansen, and I will be talking today about child therapists. So child therapists, they help children develop in a more healthy way. Um, they might help a child understand why they cannot focus in school and then figure out ways to help them focus better in the classroom. They can also help diagnose and treat mental health disorders in children and work with their families so that they can best support their children. Education for this, a bachelor's degree in psychology, master's degree in either child development, clinical psychology, family therapy, clinical counseling, or another related field. Different number of supervised hours of clinical experience are required, and that number of hours varies per state. In California, it was closer to like 3,000 hours. Clinical psychologists must have a doctorate degree. It can either be one of those to practice, but either type of doctorate degree needs a thesis, an internship, and additional classroom work. It can take about 10 years to complete. Other other options, if you don't want to get a master's degree, is you can work in school psychology. School psychologists also need to have a background check, a license, or board certification, and that again depends on the state that you're in. So my 4-year plan, this year I am taking child development class so that I can help understand children and how they're growing and better understand where they should be at in the different stages of their lives. And I'm hoping that this will help prepare me for future classes and internships. Then I'll be focusing more on my psychology classes, and this will help me know people better and understand the protocol behind therapy. I want to be a therapist, but I'm not sure what age group I want to work with. I've been considering being a missionary psychologist or working with children, which I think both of them would be really fun, and so I'm hoping to be able to figure that along the way as I take different classes. To prepare for future work, I'm going to take electives throughout my schooling that focus on health. This will help me understand the different aspects of mental health and how the body and brain should be functioning normally. Additionally, I want to become a tutor so that I can be able to teach others, because that's one of the ways that I learn best is by teaching others. Towards the end of my schooling, I'm going to get an internship so I can explore different careers and learn more about what I want to do with my life, because that's kind of the goal. Why psychology, you might be asking. I absolutely have always loved psychology. I liked it in high school, and then I took intro psychology classes in college, and I always found it really intriguing, especially how the brain works and the different processes and how people react to their different situations. And so I thought that it would be good to start pursuing a career in psychology. I also have always wanted to help people, and one of the ways that I think that I can help people best and that I try to help people is by helping them work through issues and things that they're going through. And so I think this would be a fun field to go into.